Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am here once again with another interesting video about another affiliate network. This series of my videos is about affiliate networks which are best suitable for beginners, especially if you are new in this field of affiliate marketing or you don't have prior experience with other affiliate networks. As you know, many of the affiliate networks ask you to show proofs of your previous work with other affiliate networks. But the affiliate networks I'm sharing with you people in my videos are super easy to join. You don't need to provide any proof of your previous work. What you all need to do is fill your personal details and sign up for these affiliate networks within seconds. So, the affiliate network we're gonna discuss today, we're gonna explore is Digistore 24. One very important information I want to share with you people is about the nature of this network, and that information is this network pays you for the purchase of product you are promoting, unlike the CPA grip where you are paid to make people fulfill some specific task. Here, your target customers need to buy vendor's product. So, let's start step by step tutorial of Digistore 24. When you will open the website of Digistore 24, you will see the interface like this. What you need to do, just look at the right corner of this website. Here is the button for register now. Simply you need to click this, and it will show you these two steps. First of all, what you need to do, you just need to select what kind of account you are going to sign up. Here is the option. You can sign up as a vendor, you can sign up as an affiliate, or you can sign up for both vendor and affiliate. So best suitable for you people is sign in as an affiliate. So select some of the username, and put on your email. You just don't need to fill your affiliate link. This site will create for you, and just write down your email here, repeat your email, select some suitable strong password for you, and repeat that password here, and then select the place from where you belong, and then your name. You don't need to write the company, but you need to put your address here, your country, your phone, your Skype ID. Skype ID is not required, but it's good if you are putting your Skype ID here. And then you will check these boxes, and and you will press register for free now button. Okay. When you will sign up, when you will complete your sign up, you will see an interface like this. Like, I have created this account. This is a demo account for you people, just to show you how it will look like. So this is your main page. This is your dashboard. It will show you your customer value as a vendor or an affiliate, your gross revenue, initial sales here, your gross revenue, upsell sales, and promo links, or all the all the details you will have here. Like it will show you your earnings and all those things which are required. Just give me a second. Okay. So I was talking about your dashboard, and you can see here it will show you all of your earning, like earning per day, earning per week, earning per month, or earning for whole of the year. It will show you all of your details of your earning here. And after that, what you need to do, just go to marketplace and click on all offers on the affiliate marketplace. When you will go to offers, this interface will look like something this. So you can see, you can search product. If you know the name of some specific company or some specific product, you can search by its name. You can filter it out by its billing type, single payment, subscription, or installment, whatever. uh, you can choose the language, and you can see here, you can sort by their selling rank. You can see, like I have ranked according to their sale rank. I'm using this filter, and you can even you can select on the basis of the currency, US dollar, euro, or whatever the other currencies. And on the left side, you will see the details of your product or your offers. Like you can see here, the digital product are selected, and here below the events or seminar or the physical products. Like we are dealing with digital products, and according to our filters, we have these kind of offers. When you will see an offer, you can see it's a very detailed, or it has all the description you need before promotion. You can see uh, uh, on the right side, it's showing the percentage of commission you will be getting when you will promote this product. And just look at this, they are paying 85% of their price to you as a commission. Just imagine, 85% of the price is your commission. Okay, it will show you your commission here. It will show you their uh, average sale value, their conversions, their promo link, and other details. And here you can see the average price of this product, your commission, your earning per sale, earning per card or visitor, the name of the vendor, how long it was created, and its billing type, its selling rank, its card conversion, and its cancellation rate. These are very important factors you need to observe, you need to notice before you start promoting some of the product. You can see what is the percentage of card conversion. If it's high, it means most of the product, when they will put this product into their card, they will convert it, they will buy that product. So 24% people are buying this product after adding this to their cart, and cancellation rate is 11.2%. So this is all the details of this network, this product. And here you can search it out, you can scroll down, you can see the other products like home doctor, and all these description. You can open up these links, and you can find further details. Or if you start promotion, you can see here, we will click here and copy this link. Actually, this is our promotion link. If you don't want to put this link directly to any site where you are trying to get traffic, it's fine. You can short this link. Just simply what you all need to do is go to bit.ly.com. It's super easy to shorten your link. Just put your link here, like I have put my link here, and here you can see, and you will just click shorten, and your your link, like https www.digistore.24.com/redir, and all this link is converted into this short link. Simply what you all need to do, copy this link from here and just find out some traffic source where you want to put this link, where you want to promote this link. I'm planning a separate video, a complete video, a well detailed video for the all kind of traffic sources which you can use for different affiliate network. I will share their details, which affiliate network, which kind of traffic source suits which network, which affiliate network, and I will discuss different network, like different traffic sources like Quora, like Medium, or even Facebook, YouTube. These are different sources of traffic. It depends what kind of product you are promoting. On the basis of that, you will select that source of traffic. So we will discuss all that in a separate video. Simply what you need to do here, you will put this link on some website, on some YouTube channel. Cool. And you can see here are different videos which are about Meticore. Simply what you can do, if you do a little effort, you don't need to try for free traffic sources which are not, according to my opinion, these are not so much reliable because nothing comes free. So, simply you can create a short video about that product and just publish that video on a YouTube channel. If you are not familiar with the process how to create YouTube channel, I will show you in some of my video. In my next video, I will show you just what you all need to do. Just create that video, put your link in the description of that video, and definitely your visitor who will be seeing your, who will be watching your video, they will see, they will definitely, if a little percentage of those people will click on that link, definitely your promo link will be, uh, they will be purchasing that product from your promo link, and you will get its benefit. So I will make another video about, which will be a detailed video about traffic sources. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my YouTube channel for more informative videos, and don't forget to press bell icon so that you will get the notification or a notification of all my new videos. So see you soon with some new video. Thank you.